So we've learned the right way, the mathematical way to do permutations and combinations. We've learned the formula. We understand how it works, but there's some really cool shortcuts that are in our calculator. So the buttons that we're going to use our math button. So go ahead and color that in. We're also going to use our over arrow. Okay, to find our combinations and our permutation. So in our calculator, granted mine's a little older, but the button strokes are the keystrokes are the same in the newer calculators. So if you hit math and you come over to PRB, so math. And then we're gonna go over to PRB. There's lots of really cool functions under there. We've got all sorts of stuff here. Here's where we find our factorial, but the NPR and the NCR, that's our permutation and our combination. So NPR, that would be permutation. And NCR is our combination. Oops. Okay, and the N and the R, we've already kind of learned what those are. So N is our number of options, and R is the number we're choosing. So how we're going to put this in our calculator, let's say we have 8 songs and we want to choose a combination of 4 of those songs to put in a playlist. We would put 8, the number of total options we have. Then we would hit math, come over here to probability, whoops, and not hit that button. So 8, the total number that we have. Click math, come over to probability, and then come down to NCR, our combination, and then put 4. We would have 70 possible different playlists that we could come out of that, just with a combination. So this doesn't matter what order they're in. If we wanted to put them in a specific order, we would do 8, math, come over to probability, go to NPR and hit 4. So the different order options we have is 1,680. So how we're going to put this in the calculator, we put our number of options. Then we're going to do either NPR or NCR. And then we pick our number that we're choosing. So this makes calculating our permutations and combinations much easier. The examples that I'm going to do, I'm going to use the calculator instead of hand calculating it. I don't really see a need for it since we have these awesome calculators at our disposal.